to see how he plays this. Remember, this is his first lap, and that's got to be going through his head, but not so much in braking as it would straight past Bradley.